Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here it is my newly purchased air fryer. Air fryer means a very less consumption of oil, or you can say no oil. So the reasons that I have purchased this air fryer, what is the cost, what are the benefits, I will tell you all about that. So if you want to check it, then let's come with me.
Let's unbox it and let's prepare some food inside the Nutricook Air Fryer, so that you will come to know the air fryer really helps us switch to healthy lifestyle. So this is the Nutricook Air Fryer version 2 with 5.5 liters capacity and it has a 2 years warranty. The Air Fryer 2 makes food with up to 85% less fat compared to the traditional deep fryer. So you can now make your all favorite foods guilt-free. This is a Nutricook Air Fryer basket. It comes with 2 square detached baskets where your food will go, where you can hold more food than the round baskets that are coming in the market. It is BPA free, it is dishwasher safe, so don't you really worry about to wash it. Inside the basket, the food capacity is 3 to 4 people. This is the basket button on the handle. Once you will press the button, you can separate both the basket to dish out your food or wash it. This is how it looks inside. There you can see a spiral shaped big heater that cook your food very fast. So you can roast or bake your food very fast inside the Nutricook Air Fryer baskets. Now we will talk about the smart key features and temperature technology. Once you will press the start button, the attractive black display will show you all the cooking features here. There you can select the food option for cooking. Once you select the food key, the temperature and the time will be automatically there. Or we can increase or decrease the temperature or the time. From these cooking keys, which one you will press, whatever food you want to cook, it will give you time or temperature by default. So you can cook your food very easily. Here I will tell you the most important or the interesting thing. Here I will show you the hidden key. Nutricook Air Fryer has Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion feature. The temperature is given here by default 200 degrees Celsius. If you want to change to Fahrenheit, press both the keys for 3 seconds only. It will change to Fahrenheit. Then you can select the food preparation key according to your food at a touch. What's more, it features a breathe-through smart temperature technology that automatically adjusts the temperature to make your food super crispy on the outside or tender on the inside. One more important thing, behind the air fryer there is a ventilation system, so always leave some space when you switch on the air fryer. The recommended space for this is 13 cm from the wall. There is a preheat key on the left hand side of the air fryer, so you can preheat your air fryer before cooking the food. So here is a user guide. This is the book that you will get inside the box. In this book, you will get all the information about the Nutricook Air Fryer. It will help you a lot to get the information. You can compare or check it out with other air fryers. Nutricook Air Fryer 2 is the best seller on Amazon with the under price 8 to 10,000. Let's prepare or bake some food with this Nutricook Air Fryer so that you will come to know about the cooking features. Here I have marinated soya chops. First I will preheat with the given preheat key here on the left hand side with 200 degrees Celsius temperature and 3 minutes time. That is a by default or temperature time. First we need to brush the basket with a few drops of the oil. Put the soya chunk in the basket. It's really a great health caretaker because I have roasted it less than half teaspoon of oil. This is perfectly roasted soya chop on 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. On the other hand, this is the best option for the frozen food items. Just spray the basket with the oil. If you don't have the spray, then brush the basket with the oil. Put the frozen food or frozen snacks inside the basket. As I told you, you can select the food key for your cooking. After passing half time, there you will see a shaker reminder on the screen so that you can shake your food like a French fries. After shaking, when you will close the basket again, it will start automatically. And here is a delicious yummy french fries without a 0% oil. Same like these crunchy french fries, don't forget to shake the french fries in the middle time, that is a shaker reminder. This one is the best part, I enjoyed a lot. Because I tried simple garlic bread, it was an outstanding. I will show you how. Because you can keep 4 bread all together in the square basket. And I completed this 8 minutes or 180 degrees Celsius and it is perfectly toasted. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Once you will go to my channel, you will get all the recipes in detail that I have used here only for demo. So here is the veg salad that is my favorite. So this Nutricook is for those people who want to change their lifestyle. With this broccoli or tofu salad, I tried here potato wedges and there is no difference between frozen or homemade potato wedges. The easy process of cleaning is very simple. You can wipe it with a few drops of the water. The food whatever you are cooking, it contains 85% less oil. Once you cook food, it contains hardly 1 teaspoon of oil for all the food items. For the food like cutlets or samosa, don't forget to turn the side to cook evenly or don't forget to brush the oil. I cooked here veg cutlets on 180 degrees Celsius for 14 minutes and it was super crispy on the outside. I used hardly 1 teaspoon of oil on both the sides of the cutlets. Last but not least is to wash the baskets. Clean with the soft sponge. Make sure not to use a steel scrubber while washing to avoid scratching on the baskets. So use this Nutricook air fryer too to eat delicious and healthy food without oil. Keep watching my videos for different recipes or the other product reviews.